Good morning, my name is Yeison Andres Rodriguez Escamilla and I'm taking English 2 and 3. So this is the video for my project. I am going to start talking about me a little bit. So I am 20 years old and I live here in Bogota, Colombia. My height is 1.65 meters. My weight is 50 kilograms. I am very slim and it is hard for me to gain weight. My skin tone is brunette. I have brown eyes and bushy eyebrows and eyelashes. My hair is black and I consider myself as an intelligent person. Sometimes I have a lot of insecurities. It is hard for me to break the ice and start talking with somebody, but I would like to overcome all those insecurities for my future. And I love spending time with my family and my dog. I like to play with my dog in the park and do a lot of things with him. In my free time, I like to spending time with friends and with my mom, going to the movies, watching series and movies in Netflix. Also, I like to exercise. Sometimes I go to the gym or just I walk my dog in the park to exercise. I don't like to party a lot, even if I have my ID to go to the bars, but I prefer to spend my money in another ways. For example, eating food and traveling, buying things that I like, but not in alcohol. And now, as an adult, I have to be more responsible, more organized, because now I have to be careful with my college and nobody's telling me every time what I have to do, because I supposed to organize my life and have the perfect time to do everything I have to do. Now I have to take care of my dog. That's an important thing because he needs a lot of attention, a lot of time, and it is like my son, so I need to be very, very responsible with his health, with his feeding, and etc. Something that I've learned now as an adult is to locate in Bogota. I have to learn how to go to different places by my own, taking public transportation, learning where are the main places in the city, how to go from school to home and home to school. And I think that's something very hard and very important, because you can get lost in the city. Bogota is a big city, so it is easier to get lost. So you need to learn the addresses and how to locate here. Something very important is that I've learned is how to manage my expenses, my bank account, my cards, because now as an adult I have a lot of cards and sometimes you don't think how to use it in a correct way. It is important to save money and spending just in necessary things, not in everything you want, because in the future you may need savings And I think through your life you change a lot. You learn to do different things every day, but you also need to be happy, to spend time, to have fun, because you need to find that like the middle point between being an adult and being a child, because both of them are very important and we cannot forget any one of those parts of our lives. Okay, this is my video for the project. I hope you like it and see you next time. Thank you.